Hey guys, what up? And today I'll be teaching you guys how to clean a printer. So first what you need is air blower, a brush, any brush you can find, and the most important thing is the cleaner and the microfiber cloth. Okay, I'm using two microfiber cloth and I will tell you why later on. So the cleaner I use is iClear. It's very good cleaning product. If you love to clean your stuff, I will really recommend this cleaning set. Okay, so first what I love to do before I clean my stuff is I love to open all the port or the part that can be opened. And when I saw people clean printer, what they love to do is they will start wiping the printer, but I would not recommend it. What I will recommend is blow all the dust away first. Okay, so this is what I love to do. I'll blow all the dust away. Okay, and now I'm gonna stop wiping the printer itself. So let's spray some liquid to the microfiber cloth. Put the liquid away, and now we can start wiping up. So I love to start from the top here. And don't forget this part, the open part and the inner side. Okay, make sure it's clean. It takes a while because the printer is quite big, so bear with me guys. Okay, after you clean the body, now I'm going to change to another microfiber cloth. The reason is I don't want to leave any liquid on the printer itself, because I'm afraid that the liquid might just get into the printer and spoil the printer. Okay, so I just want to play safe. So this is what I love to do. Two microfiber cloth. One is with the liquid and the other one is clean, nothing on it. So now I'm gonna wipe it again. Oh yeah guys, and make sure you plug all the electricity out before you clean your product. Okay. And guys, this is the key thing. Okay, make sure you clean the cable also. Okay, what I mean is plug the cable out, clean the cable, this part here. Okay, we want all the stuff clean, so no dirt on the printer, because if you leave the dirt inside, I guarantee you the printer won't last long. Okay, so make sure you very detailed and very precise on cleaning your printer. This part here too. Okay, and now you can put it back. And we haven't finished. After you clean all the open part, don't close it first. Okay, now you want to put back your microfiber cloth, and the next thing you want to do is you're going to grab your brush. Okay, now we're going to be more detailed on cleaning the dirt. So the brush I always use to clean the side of the printer, because I believe that by only wiping you won't be able to get the dirt away. So use the brush to slowly brush the corner of the printer. As you can see, some dirt is coming out. And this part, guys, don't forget. Okay, so we just want to be more detailed and careful on cleaning the printer. After you clean it, close all the open part, okay? We don't want any dirt go inside, so you can open it when you want to use it. So that's all for cleaning printer. There's some tips and tricks from me. Hope you enjoy it. So I will suggest to clean your printer once a week or once every 2 weeks, okay? Because you want to make sure that the printer is clean, so the dirt won't get inside and spoil your printer, okay? When you spoil printer, you spoil the ink also. So be careful, guys. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching.